I have something very important that I need to say. This wig and my eyeshadow is finna be fighting today. Slight bleach knots and slight. Honey, Alipearl was like, we're not finna sit up here and lie. We touched on it a little bit with it, but you know, but it's still gonna look good. Y'all already know when I see curls like this, my Ignant Meter automatically just goes. Oh, we finna get ignorant. I'm being honest. Hold on, y'all. Real good and ignorant.
If they play knock if you buck, you can wear those lashes.
Is this a frontal? First of all, the color is
poppin'.
Hey, children. Hold on. Let me ignify my lips. Okay. Hey, cousins. Hey, it's your girl Mary Kate coming to you with the slay. So, today I have something in this box from Alipearl, and I don't know what it is, actually. So, yeah, we're gonna find out together. I hope everybody is doing well. How your mama doing? Okay. So we're gonna get into this slay today and just really kick it, see what we can do with it right after I show love to my
subscriber of the day.
Cousin, you are the bomb. Y'all, I have something very important that I need to say. Hit that subscribe. You can do it. Put your back into it. Okay, let's see what's up in this box. I'm gonna stop what's up in this box. What's in this box? Hold on, they got it taped down and pressed and run. It's over, honey. You ain't gonna be able to get up in here unauthorized. Let me just snip this. Bam, this is from Alipearl hair. I like that name because pearl is very significant in my life. Ooh, what is this? First of all, the color is
poppin'.
Yes. Let me find out, Alipearl. Let me find out. So they sent me a scarf too, but this, yeah, it's just a regular like hair wrap. This is not a headband wig. This looks like a, is this a frontal? Please let it be a closure. I think it's a closure. I hope it's a closure. I want it to be a closure. Honey, these are ignorant lashes too, child. These not even 25 millimeter. These are like 72 millimeter. Real good and ignorant. You can only wear these to the club. The club that play Knuck If You Buck. That's the only club you can wear these to, okay?
If they play Knuck If You Buck, you can wear those lashes.
The edge whisper, the little edge swooper duper with the brush on one side and the comb on the other side. Elastic band. You can opt to sew this on your wig if you'd like to. If you want it to be a little bit more snug, you're looking for a glueless fit, then bam, you can do that. I never do. They sent the deluxe wig cap, the wig bag. Y'all already know what I say about the wig bag. When you take your wig off, put it in this bag. Don't just flop it. That's it. That's all. Don't just flop it when you take it off after a long day. Ooh, Chad, I can't wait to take my wig off. Don't do this. Flop. Don't do that. Put it in the bag. Close the bag up. Slide it in your little shoe holder. Close the door. Enjoy your evening, okay? Y'all listen. Let me tell you something about this edge whisper real quick. Sometimes I have noticed, and I think it may be in production, but there's like little specks in here. You can't see it. They're so little, just like little tiny dust particles or something inside of it. Clean your edge whispers when you get these, because a lot of time companies will just get them in bulk and package it up with the wig. They want to put an extra gift in there for you. That's all well and good. Bless their heart. But sometimes it's not the, and listen, I'm gonna just tell you, because you can cleanse it. You can use alcohol. You can use your cleansing solution. You can clean these. I don't even use it. That's just me. I know everybody is different, so I'm telling you, if you're gonna use it and you see that, like I saw some little dust particles in it, so I'm not using that. I'm being honest. Sometimes with bulk products, that can happen, and it's my duty to let you know, hey sis, clean it or toss it. Boop. Now, let's get to this wig. Oh, and it is a closure. I didn't realize realize if this wig was gonna be this beautiful color. This wig and my eyeshadow is finna be fighting today. I don't know which one gonna win, but honey, they finna fight. My shadow would have been a little bit more natural had I realized, but so we just gonna accept all the ignorance that come with today's slay. Okay, just accept it. Okay. Is my lash finna come off? Y'all, my whole lash. Hold on a minute now. You see the stuff that whew, Chad, I'm not. And what my tweezers? You see? Hold on, y'all. Ain't nobody said, hey, cat, dog, and ooh, Chad. Okay, y'all. That's better. That's better. That's better. This is the 99J 5x5 lace closure wig. 16 inches. Cap size is small. 180% density. Ooh, it's gonna be cute. High quality human hair. I've worked with Alipearl before, and they do have a nice quality. And as far as the price, they're kind of like the mid-range. They're not super high. They're not super low. It starts at $155.99. Now, y'all know wigs can really shoot up there with price. So that's actually really good. So this is the wig, y'all. Ooh, look at that color. Oh my gosh. Y'all, colors like this just automatically give me feels. Period. Swiss lace closure piece, as you can see, and it's a 5x5, 5 inches going across and 5 inches back for a nice long part. That's nice. They say slight bleach knots. If you want to bleach your knots, I would just go ahead and bleach your knots, because anytime it says slight, I don't really know. Cause honey, when they put their foot in those bleach knots, they be like, bleach this. Yeah. Honey, Alipearl was like, we're not finna sit up here and lie. We touched on it a little bit with it, but you know, but it's still gonna look good. Tell the truth, shame the devil. I ain't mad. Y'all, this is very light. 3 combs, adjustable strap on the inside. We just finna see if we can do this real quick. Y'all, this color is so pretty and vibrant. It is gorgeous. Y'all, this is gonna be short and sweet, honey. It feels very good and natural hair that has been blown out and pressed and curled. It's nice and soft. This is really light, really bouncy. These curls are cute. I'm gonna get up in here and fluff. Y'all already know, when I see curls like this, my Ignant Meter automatically just goes. Oh, we finna get ignorant. You see that level right there? You remember we had talked about this as levels 2. Oh, we finna get ignorant today. This is not the most plucked closure in the world, but it's not bad. You can go in there and pluck a little bit more if you want to. It's made really light. It's not super dense right there, which is fine, but it just goes straight across. So if anything, when you cut the lace, kind of cut it jagged. Unless your hairline just does that, then keep it. If your hairline just goes like this, then this is perfect for you. But honey, my hairline all up in here, and it do here, and it do this, and then some of it is saved, and then some done backslid, but it's this Sunday it's gonna go back up there so it can get right. But it love the Lord for real, and can't nobody take that away from him. That's how my hairline is. So you got to do what's right for your hairline. Make it jagged like jagged edge, okay? Y'all, let's see what we can do with this, okay? Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you enjoy my content. Bam! Just like that, you a part of the family. Don't you go nowhere, it's not over. Peace.
Looking for something better. Is this what you want now? Or is it because you can't forget her? I can't keep pretending it's not getting to me. It's never ending. Give you what you need. Don't misbehaving. Yeah, it's getting to me. It's never ending. You can give anything, so you can go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Yeah, so I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. Yeah, you better go, go, go. Go, 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 go. not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need.